This one na international disgrace. No be small thing o. As the foreign student don call Tinubu thief. I no know wetin Tinubu go thief for UK o. Now they come carry blackout to come outside for street come dey shout Tinubu is a thief. Tinubu is a thief. I no know wetin him do o. I go show una the video more una watch. However, I want us to drop inside this matter where they trend right now. They say one pastor. I want you to watch this video and hear waiting this video. This pastor talk for inside this video that this is the turn of Ndigbo to shine. The time of Igbo freedom is now, and the Igbo should not miss this opportunity. I will also play the video, may you watch. But before we go watch that video of the pastor, let us see you know what Tinubu do, whether they call and thief. Watch the video. Don't forget to sit there for blabber this. I see the watch. Make sure they share the video.
Say Tinubu, you say thief. Tinubu, thief. Tinubu, thief. When I say Tinubu, you say thief. Tinubu, thief. Tinubu, thief. Tinubu, thief. Tinubu, thief. When I say Tinubu, you say thief. Tinubu, thief. Tinubu, thief. When I say Tinubu, you say thief. Tinubu, thief. Tinubu, thief.
They play like this, so Nigeria don't become a kareko joke. Me, I don't even know what it Tinubu thief for. I don't know what it might be the problem. I don't try make I find out. It was as Tinubu tell us say he want just travel just for 2 weeks vacation. Now I can't see this video. I was sure. I don't know what I feel talk now. I say, yeah, nah. However, I want us to watch this video. They say that this is time of Ndigbo to shine, and the Igbos should not miss this opportunity. Listen, waiting this pastor talk, and leave your own opinion in a comment section. Just watch the video from beginning to end, and don't forget to
say
share.
Something before I say this. Just give me some minutes. Get a minute. My name, Afambo, and I'm online. Let it go viral. Afambo, venerable gifts, Esele, robot. Afam, Abogomafa, Benam, Esele. Abromonyi Igbo, Abumonyi Edo State. Tomorrow, as a church, after doing repentance, we're going to take some decisions concerning the Igbo nation on this altar. Hear me. Abronwa Fibo. Mana abugo nwa Fibo. Pay attention. People can say Igbo. Oye na Igbo nwa Fibo ka yabo. Oye na si udi Igbo nwa Fibo ka bura nwa Fibo. Pay attention. Hear me. Let me show you something. Don't miss tomorrow. The time for the Igbos have come. Ogendi Igbo. Listen. One of the greatest mistakes Madu Warikeme is not to be sensitive at the appointed time, or to be sleeping when God has remembered him. When God has remembered you, or when God is saying it is your set time of remembrance, or it's your set time for visitation. I will tell you about that covenant. Have you asked yourself, have you asked yourself, have you ever asked yourself, give me batara mbanuraya Biafra na ini na nwro? Have you asked yourself? Na mbanuraya Biafra gini mere, even though the word nyere ndi enyere aka ka ha gbuo ndi Biafra, gini mere hanyi na nwro? Have you asked yourself? Have you asked yourself how we are the Biafran soldiers able to manufacture local weapons to fight? Have you asked yourself that question? It should go again, can it capacity and one didn't have weapon, but how we are they manufacturing weapons? Have you asked yourself that question? The other I brought my problem and we eventually go see you. And all pay attention. Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi, Ineba. Look up. All state in Nigeria. Ask him, what state? I told him, what the state? Which state? Ununokweba. Borom state Kafama Nigeria. Ke unu boria? O Kano. Unusro Kano. O Kaduna. O Ibadan. Ke go. Nenu maya. Listen, look up. Now. Na Abuja di God the tap. Bundi one. Na Kano di God bundi one. Na Lagos the God Ndigbo pussy importation. That sea a close one. Na Lagos the God bundi one. Pay attention. Ije Lagos full 50-story building. All the 10 Ndigbo were 8. Ina anu yam na-ekwu. Ije Kano full n'elu on Ndigbo wu n'elu awa. Ina anu ife na-ekwu. N'elu maya wila ya n'elu. Mmadụ one sigoro na steeti ọzọ bịa ruo unelu na Igbo gbafọ onye awa. Kedu afọ onye awa? Ọ na mafọ onye awa. Watch this. Listen. Anụchara gasa ana Igbo sọsọ ebe Chineke kpebiri na bọmbụ aba mmetụ ugbo ebe ọ na-emetọrọ like cathedral ana na anụchara niile buche ndị egbu. Pay attention. Maybe maybe everywhere. Can you look back into our state? Anya dikandi anusuraga. Anya dikeba nuraga. Kedindi na ayo na street eye. Kedindi na ayo na street eye. I can't hear you. Ndone. Maya. Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Do you know what has helped the Igbo man? Covenant. Now, Jom sim onye bụ onye Igbo. Jom ya. Ndị Igbo bụ ndị Israel. Hallelujah. I will bless them who bless Ndigbo, and I will curse them who curse Ndigbo. Pay attention. Ndigbo, bu, gini, Israel. We are the missing tribe of Israel. Nenumaya, ondo cha kuzurunu kese ebi ubu. Ana majunu. Tupu ndo cha bia unune ebi ubu. Ofa kuzurunu kese ebi ubu. Ngwa wilanya gelu. Ima ifa na ofo na Ndigbo. Imeba mutara ya onye na-ejide ọfọ na Igbo okenye onye na-ejide ọfọ na Israel ịchọ ka ngawa iru nkọwara gị ihe nkọwara gị as long as Israel cannot go down, the Igbo nation cannot go down. So they are fighting in vain. They are fighting in vain. They are gathering in vain. They shall kill themselves. They shall fight themselves. They shall kill themselves. Let me end. Hear me. They close their border. Did they close your destiny? Answer my question. Who they close their border? Did they close your destiny? They close importation. Did they close your destiny? The buy Ndigbo bumiri. And I did a miriaka. It is an akayapa for we shall stand taller than them. Hear me. I prophesy to Igbo nation. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son is rising. Your son shall shine. Let me end. Hear me. Hear me. Let it go viral. Hear me. Oxford University has approved Igbo language. Ana akuzi asusu Igbo na Oxford University. Njogisi abichi odione ikiniwem. Giwe ikiniwem ubu. Njogisi gini bu damfe ikiniwem. Gini wasusu ikiniwem. Gini bu muffin ikiniwem. Gini bu inu Ndigbo ikiniwem. Aibanabani. Hear me. Our destiny shall shine.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't listen, and also watch and see as it they go for this channel, where they try to dey bring you accurate information as it they happen. When I don't hear waiting this pastor talk about, let me know waiting be your own opinion for inside comment section, and make sure say you share the video. And you don't hear Ramo, if you know waiting to Bugoti for UK, I beg you may you let us know, because these students are not understand waiting they talk. But if you know, let us know for inside comment section and share the video as it they hot.